Hey, Wilson Taylor here. Today we're going to be going over some of the accessories for the DJI Osmo Pocket that you need, so stay tuned. So some of the accessories for the DJI Osmo Pocket that I feel that you need from after using this thing for some time now, I definitely would recommend. If you plan on using it for any extended period, get yourself an external battery. I'm using the Pocket Juice. Why would you not use the Pocket Juice? The DJI Osmo Pocket, Pocket Juice. And with this external battery, you can run this thing for several hours. I have ran it for about 3.5 hours on continual 4K 60 frames per second and gotten some crazy great footage. If you want to check that out, it's at the Japanese Garden. Go ahead and I'll leave a link at the end. Another thing that is a must-have would be number 2 on my list is get yourself a little tripod. This tripod is right around $20-something. Again, we'll leave links for everything down below in the description, so go ahead and check that out. I love this tripod for the reasons of it holds your phone, it holds the DJI Osmo Pocket connected to your phone, as well as on the top you can hook your mic for external. So that leads right into number 3. One of the things that I feel that you need to have in order to run a mic is the mic adapter. I did not buy the one from DJI. I went ahead and went on Amazon and bought a much cheaper one, saved a couple dollars. And the next must-have accessory that I personally enjoy using is this extension cable that plugs right into the DJI Osmo Pocket and then goes from the pocket to your phone. And I recommend going along with this are these ties. You get these from Home Depot, a set of 4, relatively cheap. These are 12-inch long. Why do I recommend these? Here's why. Using your tripod, I hook the DJI Osmo Pocket to it, connect it with this, run the cable from here directly into my phone. That way you can have this placed somewhere and then view it connected to your phone, using it and moving the camera while this is stationary and you are a little about, well, this one is about 3 feet. So you're about 3 feet away and you're operating the camera from afar. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch me in the next ones. Smash that thumb button down below and please subscribe as well as hit that bell icon. That way you get notified when I put out new videos. And I'll see you in the next one.